Buddy from Costa, a little holiday mode. I got that out of a storage locker. But I got a small load down here in the harbor. I don't know what they're catching. I'm gonna head down to the metal scrap yard and see if I can catch me some profits. Elon Musk, I don't know. That's a heck of an interesting ship. Let's go get Wade and see what happens. Well, we made it here. We're gonna unload, and the mountain of steel is back. This place is jumping today. Let's go to work. We got it all out. Whoa. Let's get paid. All right, everybody. Finished up. And remember, like, share, subscribe, comment. It's all down and around the sides. Lots of weight today. The price dropped down to 140 per gross ton. That's 22.40 in poundage per ton. That was a cool beans kind of a turnout there. Not too bad. That's about an hour's worth of work. Got to pay for the truck. But again, Craigslist free. Neighbors bringing me stuff, driving back and forth to work. You want to hustle? Get out there and get a truck. Be safe though. Strap those loads down and wear the right clothes. Talk to you soon.